If you are wondering if we have Play Store on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, then the answer is yes, we do have access to Play Store. You should be able to find it pretty easily on the list of apps. So of course you can use it in order to search for any app that is available for Galaxy Watch 9 or for Galaxy watches in general. But besides that, instead of using the Play Store on your watch, you can also use the Play Store on your phone that is paired with your Galaxy Watch 9. So if you go to apps, for example, over here and switch to other devices, you can make sure that watch is selected, and then you can see apps available for your smartwatch, so you can install them quite easily. So for example, if I go over here, I can tap on this arrow right next to the install button, and then I can make sure that the app is going to be installed on my watch. And if I want to install it just on my watch, I can of course uncheck every other device that I have available on this list, and then we can install it here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.